the country. This is a very important initiative, and we thank DICT for carrying out and supporting the development of the PSFs, covering 5 sectors under the IT BPM sector. And it is not only with DepEd, but we are also working together with the TESDA as well as with CHED, because through this Philippine Skills Framework, we're able to identify what are the skills and competencies that would be needed by companies in the future. And hence we need really to work together with our educational partners, because after the completion of the PSFs, we actually turn them over to CHED, to DepEd, as well as to TESDA, for them to be able to integrate and incorporate those skills that are not present in our existing systems,